Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on SONY Xperia L1. So first, unlock the phone. Okay, and now clean the microphone port right in here, as you can see, and right in here. So clean these ports with something non-metallic, so with like Q-tip, wooden stick, or some compressed air. Then test your microphone in recorder. If I have the voice recorder, nope. So we need to go into the Play Store and download one. Then try to update your phone. So go into the apps, settings, and update system. Software update, no applications but system updates. And as you can see, my device is already up to date, but if you have any updates, then just download it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.